Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Pure Diffuser Vape Nicotine Free Aromatherapy Pen review. So you might be wondering, what is Pure Diffusers? What does it actually do? What is it? So Pure Diffuser here is a nicotine-free disposable aromatherapy diffuser designed for adults who want a scented plant-inspired experience without tobacco or nicotine. Now, according to the official website, the diffusers uses what we call plant-based aroma compounds and natural inspired fragrance with different formulas here. So if you want to learn more about that, they do state that in here in their official website. So in this case, the different formulas designed around purposes such as calm, sleep, energy, focus, and general aromatherapy. Now, the current Pure range includes several options here. Like, for example, they have the Calm Diffuser, contains a blend of featuring vitamin B12, B1, oryzanol, and peach extracts, and melatonin diffusers. Combines melatonin, lavender, and chamomile, and vitamin B12 diffusers here. So if you want to learn more about those specific diffusers, you can go and click on them specifically, and you'll be able to see the different ingredients and what you can actually expect, like the flavors for it and how much you can actually buy for each, as you can see right now. Now, how to exactly use the Pure Diffuser here? Well, this is just according to the website here. So using them is quite simple. So the device is actually designed to be used straight out of the package here. So the product itself, or basing how the product works here, there is no need to refill or recharge it. You just need to simply use the diffuser to inhale its scented vapor or aroma then you want to when you want to use it. Now, the manufacturer describes Pure as a portable product that can be used anywhere. So yeah, so the newer Pure Ultra models here are advertised with up to like 1,200 uh puffs, if I'm not mistaken. And once the disposable diffuser is actually finished, it is replaced rather than refilled or recharged. Now, the company recommends using the product within like 12 months of purchase here. Now, Pure specifically states that its diffuser contains zero nicotine and tobacco, and says that they are also free from vitamin E, acetate, THC, CBD, and other regulated substances. Now, the company here basically mentions or describes its products as drug-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. Now, it's specifically mentioned in here in the How is Pure Made section. So yeah, the website currently lists individual diffusers at around $19.99 for one. So as you can see right now, for each one of them. But you could also buy a complete set for around $79.99 as of this moment, which includes different flavors, diffusers, and is currently listed in this pricing here. Though pricing may be different depending on where you're buying your diffuser from. So yeah, so since this product is inhaled, doing your own research into the ingredients and intended use is recommended before purchasing it, especially if you do have existing problems about with your lungs, or if you have certain allergies that you may need to be wary of. But yeah, consult your doctor first before trying it if you have major health concerns. And if you do have concerns about the product itself, you could also reach out to them by the contact page at the very top of their screen in here. And you can go and reach out to them via their website or via the email address stated in their website. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.